In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create secondary navigation in Squarespace. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can organize your pages into a clean, easy to use drop-down menu in your site's main navigation. This is really helpful if you have a lot of pages and want to group them under one heading, like Services, Resources, or About. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in your site editor, look at the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, find and click on the option labeled Website. When you click it, it will expand and show more options underneath. From that expanded list, select Pages. This is where you control the structure of your site's navigation. Inside the Pages panel, look for the section labeled Main Navigation. This is the area that controls the links that appear along the top of your website. To start creating your secondary navigation, move your mouse over this main navigation section and click the plus icon. This opens a pop-up window that lets you choose the type of new item you want to add. In that pop-up, look at the left side where different page types are listed, and scroll down until you find the option called Dropdown. Click on Dropdown. As soon as you do, you'll see a new drop-down item added to your main navigation list on the left panel. This drop-down is going to act as the container for your secondary navigation links. Next, you'll want to give this drop-down a meaningful name. Hover over the new drop-down you just created, and on the right side of it, click the little gear icon. This opens a settings pop-up. Inside this pop-up, you'll see fields for the page title, the navigation title, and the URL slug. The navigation title is what will show in your site's menu, so choose something clear and simple that reflects the group of pages you're adding. Adjust the page title and URL slug if you'd like them to match. When you're happy with the text, click Save in the top right corner of the pop-up. Now it's time to build your secondary navigation. Back in the Pages panel, find the pages you want to appear inside this dropdown. Click and drag each page so that it sits directly underneath the dropdown, slightly indented. When you see that indentation, release the mouse. That page is now nested under the dropdown. Repeat this for every page you want in your secondary navigation. Once you've nested all the pages you need, your secondary navigation is complete. You now have a clean drop-down menu in your Squarespace main navigation, making your site easier for visitors to browse and understand.